Still recording. I'm just going to look on the website, see if I can see what that was. I think that was a tornado. But I didn't get a very good look at it. I was just such a rush, didn't know that was going to take off. So give me a few seconds and I'll open up the website, see if I can figure out what that was. Yeah, that's probably, it didn't actually land. I think it went really low over the, you can see, did a low pass over the runway, I should think. So that is an RAF Panavia Tornado GR4, registration ZA542. That's just flown past Cambridge very low, done a low pass of the airport. I presume, I don't think it would have done a touch and go. No, not at that speed. Well, you never know. Who knows what it's doing. Currently at 6,000 feet. So that is unusual for Cambridge. You don't see a fighter jet coming out of Cambridge very often at all. Like maybe once or twice a year, really. While I'm looking at this, let's see what else is about. Ospreys over Newmarket. Hercules doing circuits around Mildenhall area. That's this tornado again. Air France A380. Oh, I haven't done the filter to just look at military. That's what I'll do. Hold on a sec. Just going to add a filter so it only shows up military stuff, so as not to confuse what I'm looking at. Right, there we go. So CV22 over Newmarket. That's the tornado there. Heading off towards Huntingdon. Hercules over Mildenhall. I'll just zoom out a bit, let's see what else is about. If anything, what's over the Norfolk coast? RAF Bombardier. Okay. Alright, that'll do. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.